Hi everyone, I'm back here again for another video, and this time the audio will be quite different as I'm freestyling this. So today, come with me and draw with me on my iPad Air 3. So first off, for this photo, I decided to choose this, mainly because now it's the WNBA season and I'm a really big basketball fan. Now, even with the bad COVID situation in the US, these ladies are really working their butts off and they're playing games every other day. The WNBA still wanting to play and entertain sports fans, so they decided to have this short season and it will be the playoffs soon. So I'm really excited and I keep watching the games through the WNBA app. To show my support to these ladies, I purchased the WNBA League Pass, and I've been purchasing it for a couple of years already since I really enjoy watching them play. So I got this photo from the WNBA website. It's not really mine. Here, the players shown here is Aja Wilson from the Las Vegas Aces and Candace Parker from the LA Sparks. So those WNBA fans, I'm pretty sure they know these two players. Since Las Vegas Aces came to play, I think 2 or 3 years ago, I'm a fan of that team. I don't know why. They used to be the San Antonio Stars, and maybe because they are the underdogs, and so that's why I'm on their side. On the other hand, Candace Parker is really one of the best all-around players in the WNBA. She's really good. She's a shooter, she's a passer, and she can really handle the ball very, very well. I like LA Sparks too. I was on their side when they were on the WNBA finals last time with the Minnesota Lynx, and I was really happy when they won. Anyway, that's it about WNBA and why I chose this photo. I've really been wanting to draw more and improve my drawing, and lately I've been inspired by one of these great YouTubers, and her name is Liana. I hope I pronounced her name correctly, but I'll leave her YouTube channel link down below. She's really creative and her drawings are really nice. Another inspiration for me is the Instagrammer. Her name is Fate Draws. I'll link her Instagram link below as well so you can check them out. I use the paper app by Wetransfer, and I've made other videos about using this app. It's not really a professional tool, but this is what's easy for me and what I've got used to. Well, this video is really just to showcase the iPad Air 3's ability to be a creative device, if I could say that, even if it's not really the latest and greatest. I will practice more and will continue to post videos here in YouTube. Hope you'll come along with me. And anyway, even if there will be no one watching this, it's probably a reminder for myself that I tried, and hopefully in the future I'll see some progress. So that's it. Thanks for watching.